Erwin Wilhelm Müller was a German physicist who invented the Field Emission Electron Microscope, the Field Ion Microscope, and the Atom-Probe Field Ion Microscope. He and his student, Kanwar Bahadur, were the first people to experimentally observe atoms, life and work. Müller was born in Berlin, where he studied at the Technical University under Gustav Hertz. He received his degree in engineering in 1935 and his doctorate in 1936. Müller worked at the Siemens Research Laboratory, where he invented the field emission microscope in 1936 that allowed resolutions of 2 nanometers. Müller married Clara Thussing in 1939, and their only daughter Jutta was born in 1940. Due to the circumstances of war, he also worked at the Stabilovolt company. In 1947, he was appointed to the Kaiser Wilhelm Institute for Physical Chemistry and Electrochemistry by Iwan N. Stransky. Here he developed the field ion microscope, which, due to its resolution of 0.25 nanometers, was the first instrument used to observe atoms. In 1950, he took a teaching appointment at the Technical University in Berlin after finally having completed the required private docent. In 1951, he became professor at the Free University Berlin. Müller joined the faculty at Pennsylvania State University in 1952, where he remained until his death in 1977. He co-invented the Atom-Probe Field Ion Microscope at Penn State in 1967. He died in Washington, D.C. Honors: National Medal of Science, Achievement Award of the Instrument Society of America, Davison-Germer Prize of the American Physical Society, Carl Friedrich Gauss Medal, John Scott Medal of the City of Philadelphia, External Scientific Member, Fritz Haber Institute. Honorary degree, Free University of Berlin. Honorary degree, University of Lyon. Medar W. Welch Award 1971. American Physical Society 1971. Selected bibliography. Müller, W. Das Felden-Mikroskop. Zeitschrift für Physik 131. 136-142. Bibcode 1951 ZPHY 131, 136M. DOI 10.1007, BFO 1329651. Müller's first FEEM paper. According to Melmed, this paper provided the world's first view of the atomic nature of solid matter and began an entirely new field of study. Müller, Field Desorption. Physical Review 102, 618. Bibcode 1956 PHRV 102, 618M. DOI 10.1103, Physrev 102.618. Müller, E. Bahadur. Field ionization of gases at a metal surface and the resolution of the field ion microscope. Physical Review 102, 624. Bibcode 1956 PHRV 102, 624M. DOI 10.1103, Physrev 102.624. Müller, W. Field Ion Microscopy. Science 149, 591-601. Bibcode 1965 Sci 149, 591M. DOI 10.1126. Science 149, 3684.591. JSTOR 1716643. PMID 17,747,566. Müller, W. Rendulic, D. Field Ion Microscopical Imaging of Biomolecules. Science 156, 961-963. Bibcode 1967 Psi 156 961 M. DOI 10.1126 Science 156 3777.961 JSTOR 1721548 PMID 4290252